DIY hoop embroidery pumpkins. It's time to showcase these pumpkins made from embroidery hoops now that autumn has arrived both online and in the stores. For a multi-purpose piece of fall decor, create these in a natural, painted, or stained style. You'll need some embroidery hoops, paint, felt for the leaves, and a stem of some sort for this imaginative autumn craft idea. This afternoon craft is going to be fun. Start by taping off the hardware on the hoops, then use spray paint or craft paint to paint the embroidery hoops orange. Place one hoop within another, both of those inside a final one with hardware, and let them dry completely. Equally space out the hoops. If they are too loose, add a drop of hot glue to hold them in place. They should fit together tightly enough that you won't need to use any adhesive. Wrap twill ribbon around the hardware to create a coiled stem, then twist a piece of brown wire around the stem and coil it around a pen or pencil. Attach a small leaf and you have a super cute upcycled pumpkin to add to your fall decor. So now you can reuse your old embroidery hoops by making these pumpkins out of them. And end up with a modern, geometric looking fall display.